You know, a lot of times I come to the kitchen and of course to cook, and you realize that, you know what, aaj main kya bana, what should I make? And I go on starting because, you know, pyaz to lagte hain, herbs, so I love using herbs in my cooking. And then when I actually open the fridge, फिर मालूम पड़ता है कि, you know what, आज ये बनाते हैं. So let's take a look in my fridge and see what we have. My fridge is always loaded. Arre, top class. Chicken. We found chicken. Everybody loves chicken. And I love chicken too. And you know what? Now today I really feel like eating something fried. Okay? I need those calories, I think, today. And I said, you know what? आज हम बनाएंगे मेरा लस्सी फ्राइड यानी कि बटरमिल्क फ्राइड चिकन. तो यहाँ पे I have हमारी बटरमिल्क यानी कि लस्सी है. You can take curd, beat it together. लस्सी बन गई. Now basically हम क्या करते हैं? हम लस्सी को फ्लेवर करेंगे. फ्लेवर करने के बाद we put the chicken in. Now you have to let the chicken be for at least 3-4 hours. You know, I mean, the more you keep it, the better it is. Because क्या होता है? It gets a beautiful taste. Now before I do that, पहले मैं जो मेरे सारे herbs जो है, I've got some rosemary, I've got some thyme, I've got a little bit of parsley as well. और फिर एक बारीक sliced onion. Okay, onion हम fry नहीं करेंगे. Don't worry about that. We are just going to be flavoring it. Okay. Now remember, ये chicken is on the bone. It does take slightly little longer, but the flavor is outstanding. Okay. तो I'm just making a few gashes. Okay. थोड़े से मैं इसमें चीरे मार रहा हूँ. तो क्या होता है कि जो पूरा जो हमारा marination है ना, it penetrates right inside, and of course you know you want something which is जैसे ना flavor right up to the bone. Okay, that's exactly what we are doing. तो अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा onion powder और garlic powder and a little bit of हमारी smoked paprika. Okay. Now sometimes what I do is I also like to add a little bit of red chilli powder. Okay. तो थोड़ा सा हमने red chilli powder भी डाल दिया. I'm adding a little bit of salt as well to this. Beautiful. Don't forget the salt, guys. Very important. इसमें अभी हम डालेंगे हमारा छाछ यानी कि हमारा बटर मिल्क. Beautiful. Okay, just like that. Look, it's already looking so good, huh? Isn't it? और अभी हम इसमें तैयार करेंगे हमारी breading. Okay, the breading यानी कि what we are going to actually coat the chicken is. What I like to do here is एक प्लास्टिक बैग या जिपलॉक बैग लेता हूँ मैं. Half a cup to 1 cup of flour in this. Okay. फिर उसको सीजन तो करना ही है. So I'm going to be adding some more salt in this. Okay. Remember, हमने salt already हमारे milk में डाल दिया है. Okay, which is already seasoning our chicken. Okay, तो फीका नहीं होगा. I've also got salt over here, which I've added here in this. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of paprika in this, smoked paprika, a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, breading is already ready, so it's very simple. हम मैरिनेट करते हैं, उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे. We'll shake it together really nicely, and then I do a second breading. Okay, so literally this is a double coated fried chicken. Okay, so I'm using a light soybean oil in this recipe. Okay, you don't need olive oil to fry your chicken, trust me. Okay, and oil is getting steadily hot. So we've got our flour, we've got our breading here. I'm going to make another batch of breading for my final dipping before I put it inside. So we've got my breader here as well. उसको हम mix कर देते हैं along with a little bit of paprika. Beautiful. So job done. Got to give this a little mix. Nice. Beautiful. The next thing we're going to do is जो हमारा chicken जो है उसको हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. So ये जो yogurt है, लस्सी है, buttermilk है, it actually tenderizes the protein. Okay. So the idea is that you really coat your chicken nicely. It gets a beautiful coating just right here. Okay, going to pour in flour. Going to dip the chicken. Little bit of water. So you have to go to make sure that you have nice iced water when you're doing this. Okay. बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह इसको पैड कर देंगे. ओके, नाइस. और अभी हम इसमें ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. Wow. So very important is draining the chicken now. Okay. Hey, you know what? मैं actually भूल गया. Did I tell you what I'm making? मैं actually बना रहा हूँ VFC, यानी कि Vicky's Fried the Chicken. Huh? So that was the name of the recipe. Now I remember it. So we've got our chicken done. Now सॉस तो चाहिए ना यार, वो भी सॉस भी बन जाएगा बहुत. सो मिर्ची मिर्ची मिर्ची, लेट्स डू इट मैन. सो वेरी सिंपल, आई डोंट लाइक टू कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स. हम थोड़ा सा इसमें केचप डाल देते हैं. ओके, नॉर्मल टोमेटो केचप. बट इन द कमिंग फ्यू वीक्स, मंथ्स, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू मेक योर ओन स्टफ. ओके, सो अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ श्रीराचा सॉस. ब्यूटिफुल. सो अगर आपको स्पाइसी चाहिए तो वेरी सिंपल, 2 parts of sriracha sauce or any kind of hot sauce of your choice. Okay, chili sauce, Tabasco, whatever you like. Then what takes it to another level, and I love to put it, is मैं हल्का सा इसमें सोया सॉस भी डाल देता हूँ. हाँ, you heard it right. तो हमने थोड़ा सा सोया सॉस भी डाल दिया इसमें. और फिर छलांग मारने के लिए, just to take it to another level, अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे फ्रेश चिलीज. चॉप अप अ रियली नाइस फ्रेश चिली इन दिस. ओके, बूम 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 बूम. लवली. सो अपना फ्रेश. सो क्या होता है, द फ्रेशनेस ऑफ द चिली brings out the freshness in the sauce. Okay, so we're going to just give this a nice mix. तो चलो, sauce ready, chicken ready. Now what's next? Yeah, let's plate it up. People love all this little presentation. आजकल Instagram लोग को फोटो निकालना है. I mean, आजकल जब ऐसा हो हैबिट आ गई है कि जब भी घर पे दाल चावल भी बनते हैं ना, मैं भी उसका फोटो और मेरी स्टोरी अपलोड करता हूँ. आपने तो देखी होगी मेरी. परफेक्ट. तो ये है हमारा फ्राइड चिकन. And then let's put our lovely sauce in this. So हमारा VFC यानी कि Vicky's Fried the Chicken and my special 2-minute hot sauce ready. Buon appetito!